After putting in an all-time high near 74,000 back on March 14th, Bitcoin had a sharp 17% pullback to near 61,000 on March 20th. But something happened on March 20th that appears to have put a significant bid back into Bitcoin. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell gave a speech at the FOMC meeting where he dialed up his estimates for both GDP and PCE inflation, while at the same time suggesting that they still are planning on cutting rates, despite the uptick in both. Now, this speech has led some to believe that the Fed has quietly changed its target for 2% inflation and now would be happy with stable inflation at somewhat higher levels. This led to a bid in traditional dollar hedges like gold and Bitcoin, and even some less traditional dollar hedges like crude oil and copper. Now, Bitcoin has the additional tailwind of the upcoming halving, which will cut the monetary benefit of mining Bitcoin in half, theoretically making Bitcoin more scarce and more valuable. Now, Bitcoin's market cap dominance within the crypto space continues to grow, having gone from 42% in March of 2023 to 52% in March of 2024. Perhaps this move is because of the emergence of the Bitcoin spot ETF, which could encourage broader participation in the coin. Now, a reminder that CME Group now offers options on both micro Bitcoin and micro Ether futures. We're going to be using micro futures for these examples. If a trader believes that Bitcoin could rally from here, they could express that by buying the April micro Bitcoin contract at 70,930 and targeting a move to the psychological level of 80,000. Now, a stop for this trade could be placed below at 63,500. This trade could make $907 if the target is reached and risks $743 if you're stopped at your level. Now, if a trader believes that Bitcoin could fall from here, they could express that by selling the April micro Bitcoin contract at 70,930 and targeting a move to the March lows of 60,830. And a stop for this trade could be placed above at 75,900. This trade could make $1,010 if the target is reached and risks $497 if you're stopped at your level.